Kim Kardashian filed for divorce from Kanye West. It has been all over the news for a few months that the star couple has been filing for a divorce. TMZ has confirmed on Friday that reality star Kim Kardashian and rapper Kanye West are filing for a divorce. The couple has been together for 7 years and even has 4 children together. Celebrity news website TMZ was the one to break the news to the public after multiple rumors of marital difficulties between the two. According to US media, Kim has requested joint legal and physical custody of their children. The couple is one of the most popular and adored couples in the world, and fans were devastated when they heard the news. In 2007, Kim became famous from the E! Network television reality series, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which has been hugely popular since its beginning. The reality series stars the entire Kardashian and Jenner family and shows dramatic instances and moments from their lives. Apart from the reality show, Kim has also invested in other ventures. She has her own makeup line, clothing line, perfume. She modeled for multiple brands, and she has her own video game. Her personal net worth was said to be around $780 million USD. Kanye, on the other hand, is one of the biggest rappers in the game for 15 years. He is a multiple Grammy award-winning artist and a successful fashion designer. Kim's divorce from Kanye West will be her third divorce overall. Kim and Kanye were friends years before they began dating. In 2010, Kanye appeared on Kim's show for the first time. In 2013, they welcomed their first daughter, North. In 2014, Kim and Kanye got married in Italy. Their wedding photo, at the time, became the most liked Instagram post ever. In 2020, Kanye has an unsuccessful run to be President of the United States. This was followed by a series of erratic public appearances and online postings. Kanye has come out in the past for having mental health problems and drug issues. Kanye also posted a series of tweets about the Kardashian family, completely bashing them. Kim has spoken out about Kanye's behavior before saying that he is brilliant but a complicated person. She also stated that Kanye had bipolar disorder but is still a very calm, compassionate, creative, and talented person. Reports state that Kim has hired the well-known lawyer Laura Wasser for her divorce. Kim herself is studying to become a criminal lawyer and has helped multiple victims in the past. According to Page 6, Kanye spent the holidays alone at his Wyoming ranch. Fans began speculating about the divorce after Kim didn't post her yearly Valentine's Day special where Kanye comes up with the most extraordinary and creative gifts for her. Although TMZ has declared that the couple is getting a divorce, Kim or her family has not made a public statement yet.